I'm looking at the Elfang personal blender. Now it's a model XF187. It's got 60ml PC juice cup, stainless steel tool holder, one-click start, cup anti-oxidation and anti-drop. I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to give it a try out, see what it's like. Okay, there's the manual, which I'll have a good read through. Let's have a look what we get inside. There's one jug. See, that screws on the top. I'll give it all a good clean out before I use it. There's another one. Same thing, you just blend it, I presume, and then unscrew it. Yeah. I've got a cleaning brush, comes with it. I don't know, but I'll find out in the manual. And here's the main blender. In the box. Standard UK 3-pin plug. There's a lid. I presume that screws onto one of these. Make it a drinking bottle. There we go. Anyway, as I say, I'll give it a good clean out and I shall have a good read through the manual and then try it out. I've now got this set up and I've washed it all out, washed all these out, washed the lids, so I'm ready to try it out. I've got some protein powder, I've got some water, I've got some pineapple, so I'm going to put some strawberry protein powder, some pineapple in, and some water. And some protein powder. It says only to, you're only meant to use this at a minute at a time. So let's put this on. Nice and tight. There it goes. Think that'll be long enough. Now it comes. You just screw the lid off. And that's mixed everything fairly well by the look of it. Yeah. No residue in the bottom there, so that's fine. Yeah. And I shall just try the small one. All I've got is some just some seeds, just to try it. Screw that on. And that's certainly mixed them up well. That's it. I still didn't find out really what the pump was for. It doesn't say in the instructions. There is a hole in there, obviously goes on top of here, which goes on top of here, but I don't really know. But I shall use it a bit more and then I shall come back with my review.